Hi, this is Does Not Compute, the tutorial program for the technologically terrified. And today, my mum wanted to know all about how to get links from Tumblr. Excuse the little window there. So, let's go to tumblr.com. Now, I'm already on Tumblr. If you look for this funny little face, you'll find exactly what I'm up to for most of my time. So let's look at something, let's look for something, that we would like to share. Lots of people on Tumblr are posting about newsies now. Oh, okay, that's cute. So we move our mouse over to the upper right corner, right click, and copy link address. That's one way. So what if we're not on Tumblr? What if we've come across somebody's Tumblr post or Tumblr homepage by other means? We've tripped over somebody's Tumblr homepage and we want to share something. What if we want to share naan pizza with left beef? That's a vintage meme. It's probably found its way onto Pinterest by now. So, we can't go to the upper right corner. That doesn't do anything. If we click on the image, it just takes us to the image. So we scroll all the way down. And one way is to go from the notifications, right click and copy link address, or you can click on the timestamp and get the URL up in the browser bar. A single left click, a Control C, and you've got your URL. And that's 3 ways to get a link off of Tumblr so you can share it with your friends. Good luck.